Hi. Hi. I'm Chef Farshid, and today I want to teach you how to break coconut shield in easy way. Let's go. Okay. Coconuts. Many different ways to remove and break the coconut shield. First of all, it's full of water. Don't forget, we want to break the coconut shield and cheese and water inside. Yeah, good. First of all, we must remove coconut hairs. Okay. That's it. Ah. Yeah. Nice. That's it. Enough. Guys, be careful. Coconut have two eyes and one mouth. This spot is a breakable spot in coconuts. Okay. Two eyes, one mouth. At the moment, we need it's okay. Okay, guys. Okay. What we need to break a coconut shield? We need one hammer. Okay, one hammer. If you want to do it in modern way, if you want to do it in classic way, you should find a rock and like a monkey tap it. Yeah. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. In modern way, you what is name of this? But be careful. Your pitch kushti better your pitch kushti 4 heads. 4, not 2, not 4. Be careful, guys. The best spot for coming out the water of coconut is his eyes. His eyes. Okay. You should put the piece, put this on his eye and tap it with hammer. Easy. This spot is a best spot for hole. Yeah. Okay. You should make hole in other eye. Let's do it. Very easy. Now, okay, guys. Now you can easy, very easy. Nice. Sound of you can hear some air. Guys, why you must or should two hole in coconut? If you just make a one hole, you should. How I should. Okay, you should make two hole because it's physics. Okay, if you make one hole, it's not work. When you make two hole, from one hole water come out, and from other hole air come in, water come out. It's all about physics. Okay, let's see it. Damn delicious. Okay, now very important. It's a line in coconut. Okay, it's line in coconut. Every coconut has this line, but like Mercedes-Benz logo, eyes on me, and you should tap the coconut in this way. Know the lines. We don't need tap the lines this way. Okay, how? With hammer. Easy. Oh, nice. And the other side. Tap every spot of coconut. Remove other part. It's like fanduk. Other part easily, and nice. Very clean, very easy. It's work. Okay. Delicious. Okay. Right. Opening the coconut with some kind of life hacks. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos and channel. And love you all, guys. Picky. Have a good day. Goodbye. واقعا آبش خوشمزه.